Hello. In this video, we're going to explore how to create a checklist template in ClickUp. To start, please click on the specific project you want to work with. Once you're in, you'll be able to see all the tasks listed. Find and click on a particular task, then scroll down to proceed. Now, you should be able to spot the checklist section. Go ahead and click on it to get started. Here, you can create a checklist tailored to your needs. Feel free to add all the items that you require. After you've finished setting up your checklist, look for the 3 dots in the checklist menu and give them a click. You'll see an option to save as a template. Click on that to continue. Now, just enter a name for your new template. Make sure to choose All Members and then hit Save Template. And you can see the pop-up checklist created. There you have it. Your template is created and ready to use. We've successfully created a checklist template. Thank you for following along.